Let me tell you something nobody wants to admit. Most people today are walking around with brain damage. Not the medical kind. Not something a doctor can diagnose. I'm talking about the kind of damage you can't see on a scan, but you can feel every single day. The kind of damage that doesn't break your skull, but breaks your spirit, breaks your discipline, breaks your motivation, breaks your identity. And the worst part is this. You did it to yourself without even realizing it, because the world you're living in is designed to destroy your mind. Think about this. You used to get excited about simple things, hanging out with friends, going outside, reading something interesting, learning something new, working on your goals. Now, you feel nothing. Nothing excites you. Nothing motivates you. Nothing feels real. Everything is boring unless it's extreme, instant, or stimulating. That's not normal. That's damage. Your brain has been rewired, hijacked, overloaded. You wake up and the first thing you do is reach for your phone. Not because you want to, but because you need to. Your brain can't handle silence anymore. It can't handle boredom. It can't handle reality without stimulation. So you scroll, you swipe, you jump from one app to another, like a puppet on strings. Your attention is shattered, your patience is gone, your dopamine is destroyed, and you wonder why you feel numb. This is the damage no one talks about. You've trained your brain to only respond to high dopamine, high energy, high stimulation. So when it's time to do something meaningful, study, work out, build your future, your brain rejects it. It sees effort as pain, focus as torture, discipline as impossible, because your mind has been rewired for shortcuts, not challenges. This is why you wake up tired even after sleeping. This is why you can't focus for more than a minute. This is why you feel anxious for no reason. This is why you feel empty even when your life is fine. This is why you can't stay consistent no matter how hard you try. Your brain has been conditioned to seek the easiest escape. And escapes come cheap. Videos, shorts, reels, porn, endless scrolling, meaningless entertainment, constant distractions. Every tap, every swipe, every notification is weakening your mind. Slowly, silently, consistently. This is brain damage. Not the kind you get from an accident, but the kind you get from a lifestyle. A lifestyle that's killing your ambition. Killing your attention span, killing your masculinity, killing your potential, killing the man you could have become. But here's the part no one tells you. Your brain can heal. It's not too late. You're not broken forever. You're just overstimulated. Your mind isn't weak, it's exhausted. You don't need more motivation. You need less noise, less dopamine, less distraction. You need boredom again. Silence again, stillness again, focus again. Do you know what happens when you take away the artificial dopamine? When you cut out the endless scrolling? When you stop running from discomfort? When you start doing hard things again? Your brain comes back to life. You start to feel excitement again. You start to enjoy small things again. You start to feel present again. You start to feel alive again. You become disciplined again, hungry again, focused again, masculine again. And you realize the truth. There was nothing wrong with you. You weren't lazy. You weren't unmotivated. You weren't broken. You were overstimulated. Your brain wasn't damaged. It was overloaded. And the moment you take control, the moment you reduce the noise, the moment you let your mind breathe, you become a different man, stronger, clearer, sharper, more driven, more focused, more alive, the man you were supposed to be. So let me ask you this. Are you going to keep numbing yourself? Keep destroying your dopamine? Keep hiding behind distractions? Keep letting the world control your mind? Or are you finally going to take it back? Because once you fix your mind, once you reclaim your focus, once you break free from overstimulation, you become unstoppable. You fix the brain damage by fixing your habits. And when you do, the world won't recognize you.